Welcome to Linux Help, how to install Pluck CMS on Oracle Linux 9.6. Pluck is a small, simple, and lightweight open-source content management system, CMS, designed for creating and managing small websites. Written in PHP, Pluck is known for its ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners or users who need a straightforward way to manage website content without the complexity of larger CMS platforms like WordPress or Joomla. First, I am going to check OS version, using below command. Here currently using Oracle Linux Server 9.6. To install Pluck CMS, before installation we need to have LAMP set up. I am already installed. Check the version of Apache, using a following command. Apache version is 2.4.62. Check the version of MySQL, using a following command. Here currently using MySQL version is 10.5. Check the version of PHP, using a following command. Here currently using PHP version is 8.0. No, I am going to download Pluck CMS, using wget command. List the files. Download file name has master. No, I am going to unzip the master file. List the files. No, we can see the unzip file as Pluck master. Move the Pluck master to this directory. No, I am going to give ownership of the file, using below command. No, I am going to give permission to that directory, using below command. No, I am going to create the configuration file, and add the virtual config file. Insert the virtual configuration. Save and exit. Disable the firewall D and SE Linux, using following command. Restart the Apache service. Go to the web browser, open new tab, enter the IP address. It's working. Start the installation. Then click Proceed. Enter the title, Test, give email, abcd@gmail.com, enter the password, repeat new password. Click Save. Title Test, Contents, Welcome to Linux Help. Click Save. Pluck CMS successfully installed. Click, take a look at your website. Your website is shown. That's all Pluck CMS. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.